I'm freaking okay with this quality. I'm okay with this quality. I'm okay with this quality. I'm okay with this quality. Accept it. Okay. Another thing that you guys need to accept today is my name, what I have to say. I don't care if you feel under the radar and like a Oompa Loompa.
Oompa Loompa Doompa-Dee-Dee. If you are wise, you'll listen to me.
Alright, learn today how to not feel like an Oompa Loompa. Because studies show reading just, I believe it was like 3 minutes, reduces stress. This reduces stress, and it can actually cause a lot of stress, especially in Revelation. But aside from that, the reason why I'm holding this is because of its holiness. Alright? Leaders are readers, and the average CEO reads 100 books a week. 100 books a year. Studies show. So you better start getting this knowledge in your head. Knowledge is power. It's only potential power until you act on it. You have to be able to have a habit of implementation. And how you do that, you just take step one and just start reading 45 minutes a day. You can read a book a week, or you can read a book a day, which you can learn how to do by listening to my podcast below. Okay, books are very important, but you're not taught how to read in school. You're just taught what to read in school. But learning how to read is another ballgame in its entirety. So please read, because if you don't, then you're gonna be the Oompa Loompa.